Hello everyone, another day, another video. Paksiw na bangus with ampalaya and talong, mango, and the special one, rice. Oh, rice. If you're Filipino, you like rice is like. So, sana kayo ay kumakain din. Kain tayo. And sana nabusog kayo. Kain tayo guys. Masarap. Oh, may nasali pang ang sarap niyan guys. As in, para sa akin masarap siya. Ewan ko lang sa inyo. Guys, please like, share, and comment kung saan nakarating ang video ko. Sana mabusog din kayo. Stay safe. Thank you for watching. Guys, wala na akong masabi. Pasensya na. I'm just practicing video like vlogging, you know. I'm not good with this, so pasensya na. I apologize. And guys, I'm nothing to say, so you can watch na lang. And see you to my next video. Thank you everyone for watching.